Hi, today we're going to learn how to create a function that would print a triangle by using a loop with while. In this case, we're going to print the triangle from the base to its like edge, to its thinnest part. And what we're going to do first is we're going to increase the size of this. That's okay. And we're going to create a function called triangle. In this case, while working with the while will repeat certain steps until the condition established is satisfied. So in this case, we're going to first, let me change it to A. We're going to have two variables, size. We're going to create a variable called size. And as we want the triangle to be printed from the base to its thinnest part, we're going to put print size times this. Okay, and now we are going to create the while in order to print the rest of the triangle. So while, in this case, we're going to use the A, which is the one that will tell us how many times we have to repeat the process. We'll have to repeat it as long as A is bigger than 1. So now we put size is going to change the value of the size, so it's going to be A minus 1. Then we're going to print this new part of the triangle. And finally, we're going to be changing the value of A, so that at some point A will be 1 and the process will stop. We put A bigger than 1 because if we had put the size in the condition, as soon as the size would have gotten to 1, the process would have stopped. So it's more complicated to do it, and well, this is the way in which I'm used to. There are many ways of creating a loop with while. You can have even more variables, or I think that even less, but this is how I do it. I use the A for determining the number of times the process will be repeated. And finally, we will just let the user to input whatever value he wants, and then we just put the function, we save it, and now we'll just open the file. It's called sp22.py, and it's ready. We have now just created the triangle. As it can be seen, it goes from the base to the tip of the triangle, and as we can be able to see, the program did run.